Let's talk taxes. My name is Erin Fester, and I am one of the partners on GR Home Team of Keller Williams Realty. One of the most frequent questions we get when working with buyers shopping for a new home is, how do I estimate what my taxes are going to be on this purchase? So I'm talking about property taxes here, and those are the taxes that are charged by a municipality for the home that you own. So every couple or single in Michigan gets one homestead exemption, and that homestead exemption entitles you to about a 40% discount in your property tax rate. If you have a second home, investment properties, or you own the home just in your name and your spouse owns another home in their name, doesn't matter. If you're a couple, you only get one exemption in the state. So how do you figure out what the taxes are going to be on the next purchase? The biggest myth out there is looking at what the sellers currently pay in taxes on the home. The reason that's wrong is that their tax rate may be affected on whether they have homestead or not, and also how long they've lived there. So when you buy a home, the taxes are going to be reset on December 31 of the year that you purchase. So as of December, the assessor is going to look at essentially what you paid for the home, and then they're going to reapply the tax rate at that point. So for you to calculate your taxes, do this simple calculation. Take the purchase price and divide it in half, then drop the thousands. So let's say it's a $200,000 house. Divide in half so you get to 100,000 and drop those zeros. Across Grand Rapids, the millage rate is about the same in all taxing districts with a few exceptions. Most homes, the average rate is 30 mills. So take the 100 times the 30 mills and your tax liability is going to be about $3,000 per year. The city of East Grand Rapids, it's higher at about 44, 45 mills. City of Kentwood is also a little bit higher, about 37, 38. Some areas of Wyoming and right in the village of Lowell or a few other areas. So your agent's going to be able to help you look at each individual home and let you know if it's in a higher taxing district or a lower one. Another thing to keep in mind is that you can appeal your tax rates. You'll get a notice each February. So if you'd like to determine whether your tax rate is appropriate for your home, give us a call and we'll help you look at that, and then we'll give you details on how you can appeal that with your taxing municipality. I hope that helps. The last thing I would say is property taxes have nothing to do with income taxes or capital gains or any other taxes that you might pay on the sale of a home or the purchase of a home. City of Grand Rapids, if you do live in the city limits, there is a income tax on your income that's equal to about 1.25 to 1.4% of your income. So another thing to keep in mind. Thanks, and I hope that helps.